Alright you guys, I am back in Homegoods. So it looks like there's a little bit of new items, just a little bit. It is crowded today, so please bear with me. With a little kid, Franken Man. He's not green. Normally he's like green, but he's $8. And like the teal blue color. I think I kind of like this color better than the green that I've been seeing. That's just I believe we saw this one and I thought it glows in the dark. 15, it doesn't say, but it does look like it. Okay, we have these guys, which I do think are really cute. The bat one, a lot of Wizard of Oz. It's like a little stand you can put as a door stopper if you want to on this bat. It's going to be $10. You're a good witch or a bad witch. And then there's like the Sally one in the back. Oh, let me put that back. No, I'm not sure if I've seen this one. But that is a 10. I do like this cat just because I like the skeleton. So there's going to be a new one. And they do have a picture frame we did see in the other video. $12.99 for this one. I like that a lot. Oh, someone's dropping all type of stuff. Harry Potter snow globe, his bow tie, the little hat guy. There was, oh here, look at babe, they have those ghosts here too, but in a different color.
Oh, that's cool, he's copper.
Yeah, $12.99. So again, if you watched the previous video, there was a white one. I was like, this is like the coolest thing ever.
I mean, the other one was just like spray painted white anyway. So yeah. I mean, you could do that to this one. That's really neat. I like.
I don't know if we could spray paint that way. And this and the cat, but yeah, he is cool looking. Oh, there's the little skinny ones too.
Or maybe it was powder coated. That's probably what it was.
Little doggy one. 10. But I'm gonna combine the videos because I know a lot of people come in on different days, so I'll do like another Halloween one. Let's see. A lot of Wicked. We've seen the little Frank kid.
There he is.
What am I looking at? Oh yeah, this guy.
Yeah, they're like powder coated, I believe.
They're cool
that's
looking.
Really neat, yeah.
Boo on the ladies at $12.99. It's the countdown. We just see this one too. This hand in the pink. I think that one's new, and that is 10. That's like a little owl friend. Let me. I can't scoot back. Let me see real quick. Let me walk around. Okay, these hands. Oh, can you grab that?
Yeah.
What are these stakes? Oh, right here. Okay, they're for the wall. Okay, I see it.
Oh, okay.
That's kind of cool. It's kind of giving me Barnabas vibes. If it wasn't green, dark shadow, like stuff on the wall. How much is that? Careful, these are filming. 20. Okay. Oh, here it is again. Yeah. Oh, have we seen this house, you guys? I'm not. Can I pan out? Let me see real quick. Okay. $59.99, $60. So we have RIP. That is gonna light up. Yeah, these are cute. My someone's way. Oh my gosh. Kind of funny actually. Okay, and this RIP one, $29.99 for that.
Did you know that you could be saving every time you shop? Our rewards card helps you earn points and special certificates.
I don't see a price for this one. Let me get closer. The beanie one. I don't know if I've seen this one. I don't remember the Franken Ghost. Stitched up like that, 15. Oh, this one's cute. I haven't seen this one. Can I pull it out? Yeah. $15. Down like a little broom. Just like a little candy bowl, like very shallow one. Okay, have we seen him? I know it's not the kid. I'm not sure if I've seen this one. Let me find out for you. Oh, he's chipped. Can you lift this one up? To see how much that one is? More fungi.
17.
17.
It already has a little chip on it.
I know. I believe this is it for Halloween. Have you seen that guy? I think we have. I have to check by the oh, this is here too. Just saw. Oh, her arm is messed up. You know, and they should give a little discount. I think if it's like broken, I don't know. That's just what I feel. More ghost sloth. And that little one back there. This was in the other video, but it is $25. It is Jim Shore. Hold on, let me show you a little better so nobody gets mad. Can you see in the light? There we go. Okay, I think this ghost right here is new. I just thought when I was leaving. It says boo and it will light up. Okay, yeah, same dishware. Plenty of Day of the Dead. Oops, sorry. And then you guys, it is like more fall. So these are by Nicole Miller. Oopsie daisy. Oh, go. Nicole Miller is a table runner. Velvet. It's a nice blue one. 17. Fall is here. Somebody's cart. And this one's Spider-Man by Christian LaCroix. I think I'm saying that right? Ugh. This one's 25. Really heavy. I hope this peg doesn't fall off. I didn't do it. Okay, that's just decor. We have the owls, the critter friend. He's like really cute. $12.99, $29.99. Like the rabbit and the turkey together. Like he's holding like a turkey. This we did see. It looks like a bed. It reminds me of a bed. I think I'm just so tired. But that's cute. Cute. We have this end cap right here. I'll just go this way. This little fox friend is by Martha Stewart. That is $12.99. Oh, this one's by Martha Stewart too. A lot of pumpkins. $12.99. They're cute. That's cute. Like in a hammock. They just like pile these pumpkins on top of each other. Just have a feeling they're not all gonna fall, but when you're like trying to pick through it, they're gonna fall. This is a pretty one too. 15. Harvest Your Blessing, that's 15 as well. $15 for this squirrel pumpkin. He is cute. A couple of squirrels in here. 15. Look at this one. I don't know if I've seen this one. Oh gosh. That was broken. Man. I think these are breaking because they're just all, again, on top of each other. Another rabbit. I don't really see a lot of rest in peace. Seasonal decor with sound. Where do I press it? Oh, it don't work, but it's like funny. I wonder what it says. But I've been seeing a lot of rabbits for fall, which is kind of weird. Okay, they have a soccer ball pumpkin. I don't know if it's supposed to be a pumpkin, but it's a soccer ball. More critter friends up there. Gnomes. Turkey. He's adorable. This is by Blue Sky for $20. And he's adorable as well.
Nicole, can you please go to furniture with a flat bed for customer assistance, please? Thank you.
Look at this.
Be careful with the lid.
There's a welcome.
That's cool. I like that.
By Blue Sky for $25. And look at this, like old fashioned. $5.99. Okay, we have the salt and pepper grinder. I haven't seen this one. That is $15. Trick or treat. Trick or treat. We've seen those. Okay, some more dishware for fall. These are $5.99. That's cute. It will light up. Let me show you real quick. There we go. I can only scan. I'll hold it here for a little bit so you can see. Okay, we have the pumpkin candle. This one's cute. I've been finding a lot of cute candles lately. There's a RIP one, which I think is like really, really cool. Pumpkin bourbon in here. I'm just gonna leave it here for you to see.
He's gonna go fill up the water.
Okay, and I believe that was it for fall. Well, not, but it's just really crowded. Again, Homegoods has plenty of these like Western decor. This is $100. Is this real like horsehair? This one's $200. Genuine leather. Made in India. But this is $200, so you think this is real?
Mm-hmm. Like real cowhide or horsehide?
Yeah. I said horsehair.
Feels good. Feels like it.
I don't know. I can't touch stuff like that. Freaks me out. I'm a little weird. Furniture.
It comes off and it falls out like horsehair when you rub it.
Oh, look at this pillow with the cactus. This is cute. These are $25. More rugs. Let's go down here. Is it busy down here? Storage. Nobody wants to look at storage. There's tons of storage. Okay, these are actually nice. That horse is still here. $80 right here. But I was eyeing this vase. I do like this one. $130 for that. This is going to be $50. That's some cool stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Can I get out of here? Scoot out. Okay, here is the rest of Halloween. Again, don't forget to look by the light department, your lighting department. But I believe this is it, you guys. Kind of like a short video today. This Homegoods has a little bit of Western decor, just a tad, but the rest is just storage tote boxes. It's like kind of weird. They have like 2 aisles full of that. And then the other aisle is just wicker. Here's a door and a window guard. Which reminds me I need to get some stuff fixed on my door. You see, that's at the edge. That's gonna fall. Let's just move it here. Okay, I don't see anything. They have a mouse mummy. That one's new. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Please stay safe. And I will see all of you in the next one. Oh, that's a new one. This is 100. Kind of cool looking. Whoa, too zoomed out. Oh, okay. Can I zoom out? Oh, there we go.